Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channels. I make this video especially for those people because many students ask me, many friends ask me like how they can apply for Chinese government scholarship, how they will contact to university professors and which time admissions will be open, okay, and how they need to find which university is best, okay. So today video is related to the Chinese government scholarship. So Chinese government scholarship especially for bachelors, master students and PhD students, and that is the easy scholarship you can get in Asia, okay. So that scholarship, like for bachelors they have different majors, for masters they have different majors, PhD also have, okay. For benefits, we will first of all we will discuss about benefits. So benefits of Chinese government scholarship is like you will get free accommodation, okay, and you will also get free tuition fees, okay. And the third benefit is you for bachelor's degree you will get 2,500 stipend. Chinese RMB is like yuan, okay. In Chinese we can say yuan, and it's in English we can say RMB, okay. 2,500, okay. For masters you will get 3,500 RMB, and for PhD you will get 3,500, okay. And you can save enough money, like half money, like if you have 3,500, you at least 1,500 to 2,000 you can save it for your family, for yourself, okay. Each month you will get this money, okay. Like for bachelor 2,500, master 3,000, PhD for 3,500, okay. Like if you want to live out of university you will get more than 3,500, like 1,000 they will give you extra for your accommodation if you want to live out of university, okay. So these are the benefits. For documents I already make it many videos related to the Chinese university. For this one you need your if you are applying for master you need your bachelor degree, second you need your bachelor transcript, third you need to provide non-criminal certificate, fourth you need to provide physical examination, and the fifth number is you need to provide IELTS, TOEFL, GRE. If you don't have IELTS and GRE you need to provide English proficiency letter, and that letter you can get from your previous university professors, okay. And the sixth number you need to provide 2 recommendation letters from your previous institutes, okay. Like English proficiency you also get from your previous university professors, and the English proficiency you also need to get like from your university, okay. So these are the documents plus your proposals. You need to prepare your proposals. If you are applying for Chinese government scholarship you don't need to provide any bank statements, okay. If you are applying for university scholarship or provincial government scholarship, like any province, then you need to provide bank statements, okay. And the next I will tell you how you will apply for this scholarship. For deadline, before I tell you deadline of this scholarship is vary from university to university, but most of the time Chinese government scholarship open from October to almost June, but most university close March and April, but still some university have dates till May and June, but it's better you can apply before 31st March, okay. So in China there is more than 500 university. They are accepting international students from different countries, Africa, America, Canada, Asia, any country you are from, you can apply here, you will get scholarship. So there is two type how you will apply for this scholarship, like type A and type B. For type A you need to apply in your country embassy, like Chinese embassy in your country. For type B, like I am doing, you need to apply directly on the university websites and the Chinese government scholarship websites, okay. If you are applying for this scholarship you need to fill 2 application form. One application form you need to fill here, another application form you need to go university websites. There you need to upload all documents with your applications, okay, with all documents. And it depends upon application fees. Some university have application fees, but more than 60-70% universities don't require application fees, okay. So it's free, okay. So now I will tell you how you will find universities. Like if you are applying for Chinese government scholarship, like we will search. First we will search university, okay? First option. So in China, they have more than 50 hundreds of cities. They are accepting foreign students, okay? So still they have some list like Anhui, Beijing, Chongqing, Fujian. Like Beijing is capital, okay? So Beijing, like Guangdong province, and in Shanghai there is big cities like Shenzhen, Guangzhou. There is a big city. So in big cities you will get more opportunities, and it's better to study in big cities. But in small cities you can save enough money. In big cities there is something is little bit expensive, like for your living, your cooking, your eating, everything is little bit expensive, okay? So it depends upon you, which major you are interested, which university you want to study, okay? So this one is the, like, I will study in Beijing. I just give you demo. Like I want to study in Pehang University, okay? I will click this one. And how you will visit the university website, you need to click this link. This one is university website, okay? You need to click this link, and then you need to go university websites. You need to check each subject requirements, okay? And how many students they have? 2,256 students currently they have, okay, for international students, okay, like different batches. And the plus how many programs they have? 193. And the plus benefit, this university also have bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs, okay? Like for scholarship, they have own scholarship. They also have another scholarship like Pehang University scholarship, okay? So in order to get majors, so which major you want to study? Like for bachelor's, this university mostly majors available in Chinese, like international economy you can study in English, and finance you can study in English, finance engineering you can study in English. So they have different majors. For masters and PhD, they have too many majors available in English. Like you see all majors: chemistry, physics, finance, international trade, enterprise management, business administration, electronic information, material science, electrical engineering. So they have hundreds of majors you can apply here. So you can get scholarship easily here. Even in all university in China, like you can study any university, Beijing Institute of Technology. So I told you before what documents you require for this scholarship, what's the deadline of this scholarship, and the deadline for Chinese government is vary from October to May, June, okay? But it's better, mostly university close dates they start in October, and some university close dates in January, February, March. But it depends upon, vary from university to university, okay? So this one is my short video related to the Chinese government scholarship, because too many students ask me about how they will apply for Chinese government scholarship. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channels. So thank you so much for your time.